In every lab, precision isn't just a goal. It's the foundation of discovery. Introducing the new CelCulture Touch CO₂ Incubator. With its intuitive touchscreen interface, setting parameters is fast, simple, and error-free. Precise CO₂ and temperature control ensures optimal growth conditions, minimizing variability and stress on your cells. Fast recovery after door openings protects your cultures and your results. Its built-in high-heat decontamination system operates automatically, providing thorough and non-toxic sterilization to reduce contamination risks. From ultrafiltration to isocide antimicrobial coating, every layer protects your cultures from contamination. Stay in control with easy data logging, USB connectivity, and customizable settings. Smartly engineered with rounded corners, removable parts, and adjustable shelves for performance, reliability, and ease of use. CelCulture Touch comes with a selection of 90 degrees Celsius moist heat decontamination and 180 degrees Celsius high heat sterilization to fulfill your needs. Experience the future of cell culturing with us.